Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing a gentle yoga sequence for the joints. As we grow older, our joints tend to become more stiff. Hence, strengthening and stretching them regularly helps to maintain a proper range of motion and avoid any pain. This practice is perfect for seniors suffering from arthritis or even younger people as a warm-up before the main asana practice. You don't need any props for this. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into a standing position. We'll start with some neck stretches. So as you inhale, tilt the head back and look up. As you exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2 more times. Up and down. And come back to center. Now look towards the right side over the right shoulder. And come back to center and look towards the left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Keep going on. 3 more times. Center, exhale left, center. And come back to center, then tilt the head towards the right side, bringing the right ear close to the right shoulder. Rotate towards the back, come to the left side, and then roll forward. So let's start doing these neck rotations 5 times in clockwise direction. Inhale on the way back. Exhale forward. And let's reverse. Keep the shoulders pressed down. Last round. And come back to center. Next, we'll do shoulder rotations. So as you inhale, take both the arms up. And as you exhale, bring them down. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's do these 5 times in backward direction. Breathe into any stiffness you feel in your shoulders. And then let's reverse. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 more times. Very good. And relax. Next, we are going to do Tadasana, but we are not going to raise our heels today. So as you inhale, extend both the arms straight up and stretch as high as possible, keeping the feet firmly grounded into the mat. Feel a nice stretch in your back and the sides of the body. And relax. We'll do it 2 more times. Inhale up. Stretch up. Exhale down. 1 more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. And relax. Then bring your feet hip distance apart with toes pointing forward. We are going to do a twist now. So as you inhale, extend both the arms forward at shoulder level. And then as you exhale, twist towards the right side, maintaining the distance between both the arms. and keeping your lower body stationary. So you should feel a nice twist just in your waist area. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left. Keep the lower body stationary. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. So don't do anything like that. Just keep the lower body stiff and feel the stretch in your waist and left. Center. Exhale, right. Center. Last time. Exhale, left. And center. And relax. Next, we are going to warm up our elbows. So again, bring the arms in front. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring the hands to the shoulders and then back straight to the shoulders and then back. So let's just warm up our elbows with this dynamic movement. Let's do it 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Again, bring the arms down and just shake out the arms to relax the arms. Next, we are going to do a stretch for our fingers and wrists. So again, bring both the arms at shoulder level. And then as you inhale, stretch the fingers out. And as you exhale, bring them into a tight fist. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, squeeze into a fist. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale out, exhale in. 5 more times. Very good. And from here, just keep the fists and let's start rotating the wrists in outward direction. So let's rotate them outward direction 10 times. Keep smiling. And then inwards 10 times. So this is a very small movement, but it is great for just relaxing the wrists since we tend to hold a lot of tension there these days. Then relax and just shake out the wrists if you need to. Now let's come to our hips. So bring both the hands on your hips and come into a slightly wide-legged stance. And then let's start rotating the hips in clockwise direction. So bring them to the left, front, right, and back. And then just join the 4 points and start going in a big hip rotation 5 times in clockwise direction. And then reverse. Here also try to make the circles as big as possible. Last time. And relax. Bring both the legs in and bring the feet together. Keep your hands on your thighs and then just bend your knees slightly. Now start rotating the knees in clockwise direction for 10 rounds. So just the knees are going around and it might look like a funky dance, but this is a great movement for just warming up the knee joint. Last round, and let's reverse. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and relax. Very good. So next we are going to do a stretch for our ankles and toes. So we'll get down onto the mat for that. If you're not able to sit on the floor, you can also sit on a bench or a firm bed for the rest of the asanas. Now let's come down onto the yoga mat or your bench or bed and extend both the legs forward, taking support of both the hands. Extend the spine up, keeping the back long. And we'll just start with some movement for the toes. So squeeze the toes in and relax. And again, squeeze them in tight and relax. So let's do this 10 times for both the feet. Keep breathing. Very good. And then let's just point the toes forward and bring them back, forward and bring them back. So we are going to do this 10 times. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Very good. Then start rotating the ankles in clockwise direction. After doing it 10 times, we'll reverse and let's start doing it in the opposite direction 10 times. Very good. And then let's just flap our legs to relax the entire legs. Very good. Now staying in this position, try to ground your sit bones into the mat and bring both the hands on either sides to come into Dandasana. Look straight. And we are going to do a seated spinal twist. So again, as you inhale, extend both the arms forward at shoulder level. And as you exhale, twist towards the left. Once you have reached your limit, you can bring the left arm behind your back and the right arm down on the floor. And then just give yourself another push to really feel the stretch in your spine. Keep breathing and keep the spine long here. For 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the hands back and bring them to center, and we'll go towards the right side. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, twist to the right. And then bring the right hand back and the left hand on the floor and twist slightly more. Look towards the back and let's stay for 3, 2, and 1. And bring the hands back up. Come back to center and relax. Now let's get down onto the mat. Bring both your knees in and grab the shins, hugging the knees close to the chest to come into Pavan Muktasana. If grabbing the shins is very difficult, you can just grab the back of the thighs and keep the knees soft. And then come into Pavan Muktasana, and let's just stay here for 5 deep breaths. You can roll side to side to massage the spine. Very good. Gently release. Then bring both your feet mat distance apart so that your feet are at the edges of the mat. And then we are going to do another twist. So take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, start lowering both the knees towards the left side and look towards the right. So you can bring your arms at shoulder level and look towards the right, breathing into the twist in your lower back. And come back to center. Again, inhale, and as you exhale, twist to the right. and look towards the left. And come back to center and straighten both the legs. Finally, extend both the arms over your head. Interlace the fingers. Take a deep breath in and stretch your entire body out, stretching the toes to one side of the room and the fingers in the opposite direction. Keep stretching, and let's stay for 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Very good. Slowly turn to one side, making a pillow with your left arm, and then taking support of the right hand. Come up and come into an easy cross-legged sitting position, or if you can't sit cross-legged, you can just keep your legs down from your bed or bench. Bring your hands on your knees, and we are going to end the practice with 3 Om chants. Take a couple of normal breaths. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your hands to heart center, and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Slowly bring your hands over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes with a big smile. I hope you enjoyed this practice. I'll see you with a new video soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.